What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use OBS. So yeah, let's get started. So this is what I use to record my videos, called OBS, Open Broadcast Software, which is the best software that is, let me close this for a sec, the best recording software that is actually free. So yeah, so first, sorry about that. So first you wanna go to Google and search up OBS Studio download. Once you push on this, you can download it on Windows, Apple, and all those stuff. So I think once I push on this, it will download, but it's been a long time. But anyways, after that, I go in OBS, and you will see this. So you have to push on settings. If you push on settings, it will open a new window, which is this. Let me see. Yep, it's here. And then you have to do all these settings. I have done all these settings already.
Boring.
This is for stream. You have to do all these settings. After that, you can set up your hotkeys, which is this. Start a recording. I use the arrow keys. Arrow keys left for my start recording, and stop recording is for my right. Pause recording and unpause recording, it's not really needed if you edit. And yeah, my stream keys are this and this. I don't really know what's called, but after you set it, then you should push on apply and then OK. Once you're done with that, you will probably see a black screen here. For example, like this. So, like when you are recording, you might see like a black screen here. So, I can't show you that right now because I need to use another recorder, which I don't have. But I will show you guys in the editing clip later. But it will show up. It will show up actually black. This screen will be black because this is gonna be black, so we have to set that up first. So first, what you want to do is push on this plus. Once you push on it, you want to push on display capture. Display capture is gonna be like catching the whole like white stuff on like, for example, I want to record Roblox. I don't want the like top to be showing, you know, the Windows bar thing to be showing, like these Windows thing. So I want to use game capture, but I'll explain that later. So display capture, I can name it anything like this display capture 2, I guess. And then once I push on OK, you can pick the monitor. I only have one screen right now, so I will just use this. And then push on OK. Now I have 2 screens. So yeah, that's how you do it. If you want to delete this, you can push left click on it and then backspace or delete. Well, not backspace. On top of the backspace, basically delete. So after I do that, you are set to record if you done the settings and the hotkeys. But for display capture, of course, you don't want to record you going to OBS. So what you want to do is, for example, I'm gonna join up on a game right now. I'm gonna join up on the game. For example, Tower of Misery, I guess. No. Arsenal. if I go into Arsenal and when I go into Arsenal, okay, and then if I use display capture, I have to go here and push on start recording. So right now it says stop recording because I'm using OBS to record right now. But once I push on this, you might see this bar, so you don't want that, right? So what you want to do is push on the plus, and then push on game capture, name it whatever you want. I'll name it Roblox. Okay. And then after you're here, you want to push on capture a specific window. Once you push on that, you choose the window. You have to open the window first to select it. So you want to push on Roblox, and don't mind all these stuff here, it's really nothing. And then push on OK, and now I'm not even on Roblox right now. You see here, I'm on OBS right now, but it records the Roblox too because I'm using game capture. And if you see this, I'm actually not on full screen, but in the game capture it looks like it's on full screen, so quite cool. After that, you want to make it bigger. I don't know why that it crosses, but let's just deal with that. And then let's put it like that, and then boom, you're set. If you want to record anything on like your if you want to record anything like here or like wait a minute here or I mean here or anything, then you want to use display capture because there's no window to use. Even I think game capture is also able to record the editor like what I use, and yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna leave Arsenal. Wait, let me leave it there. So if you don't want it to show up, if you're recording something else, you want to push on this eye right here. If you push on the eye, it will disappear. So if I push on here, I think it will show up. Bro, what? It's not showing up. Okay, if it's not showing up, you can make it again. It's very easy. It's okay. You don't need to, okay. So you push on that, you push on Roblox. By the way, guys, you can't do the same name. If there's Minecraft here, for example, you cannot put Minecraft as the second one. So yeah, if you push on this, we specific window, I push on that, okay, and then when I, bro, what? Bro, where is it? Okay, anyways, once I do that, I am set to record. Okay, it's there. Let me, okay, I don't know why it's like this right now, but I will see why it's gonna, like, why is it like this, so yeah. Just wait for a second.
But that's alright. Hush.
Okay, yeah, guys, and now it is fixed. So if I don't want to like move it, if I accidentally move it and you don't want it to move it, of course you can push on this lock, and finally I can't move it, even though like I can, yeah, so you can't really move it now. If you push on this lock again, you can move it again. So it's not like locked for like 100 hours or anything like that. But yeah, so I'm still in OBS, but if I push on this, it shows Roblox, which is on another window here, which is here. Quite cool, yeah. And yeah, that's basically it. What maybe what I want to do, if I use Facecam, of course, you can do video capture device. So once I push on that, you can do like Webcam. Push on OK, and then once I do that, I can pick my thing and then push on OK, and then boom. You got my camera here, but I didn't on my camera yet. So yeah, but I can put here, like put it here wherever. And I also have a webcam border here, which I can move here. And I can make it bigger. Just wait for a sec. And then I make this bigger. But I want to put this webcam under the border so like it can go under here. So once I make it bigger, when I turn on my camera, it will show like that. So boom. But if you don't want to use your webcam, you can push on this eye, push on this again, and then boom. It's quite easy. Yeah, I normally turn display capture off. I'm gonna turn that on, and then I show Roblox too, so yeah. And there's no Roblox again. Okay, great. But anyways, that is gonna be the end of the video. If this helped you using OBS, then smash that like button and subscribe, and you can comment down below anything that you want to ask me for OBS or any game tutorials that you want, and any video ideas like knife only or like whatever you want in Arsenal, or any game you want like Bed Wars or like anything you want. But yeah, if you enjoyed it, smash that like button and subscribe. I will see you all next time. Bye.
But that's alright. Hush.